Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is your 2022 Charms Love and Work reading for Capricorns. If your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Capricorn, this reading is for you. If you know a Capricorn, you can cross watch it for them, friends. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share our channel. Join us on Instagram. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. Friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate and it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, this is for the year 2022. For the whole year, we're going to look at your love, work, and advice and charms. So in very detail, we are going to look today. Let us see, Capricorns, how your year will be. And you can check out the pick a card reading for the 2022 year. I've already done that. November pick a card have already been done. Horoscopes readings have already started. So let us see, Capricorns, what is the theme of the year for Capricorns for 2022? Oh my God, Ace of Wands. So this is a very, very powerful year for you, friends. You're definitely going to go after your dreams, Capricorn. You are also going to go after your dreams, your ambitions, your wishes, your passion. This is the year of passion for you. Also, something will start for you which will make you feel very passionate, very ambitious. Also, something which is very close to your heart, that will happen. Some new starts, some new I do feel for some of you, you could be going for higher education, or you could be getting a research degree. Like if you are already studying, if you are already studying, you will be getting some amazing rewards, amazing results. Some of you could be also becoming doctors, lawyers. I feel studying is very important to you. Whatever, even in your career, you could be learning something new, and that will change your career, boost your career to something very, very high. And not just that, look at this justice. Oh my God, friends, this is the year of karmic justice for you. So, whatever has been denied to you, Capricorns, in the past, it is coming this year for you. I do feel you had been through the worst, Capricorns, in the past. I mean, earth signs had the worst in the last few years, but remember, justice is going to happen this year. This is the year of justice for you. This is the year of wrongs being set rights, into wrongs turning into right. Whatever was lost coming back again to you. I do feel some of you could be actually changing your professions, becoming lawyers, doctors, or you are learning higher learning, masters, PhD, research. All those things are important. Legal victories will also happen this year, friends. So this is a very, very powerful. This is a year of karmic completion, as well as karmic, a new start of karma. A new karmic cycle will start for you. And whenever a cycle of karma ends, it brings in with it a lot of blessings. It comes with a lot of blessings. So that is how your year is, Capricorn. And the Queen of Pentacles, another Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, will be important for you. I also feel this is the year money will be extremely important for you, Capricorns. I don't know why I said Taurus. Maybe you should check out the Taurus reading, or a Taurus person is important for you. uh the Queen of Pentacles, I feel money is gonna come your way, status is coming your way, an upgradation will happen in your status, and also in the way you look, the way you present yourself. There is an upping of your game, level up. So that is what it's this year is about: success, karmic blessings, rewards, riches, higher education, higher learning. So let's see your love life, Capricorns, now in the year 2022. Wow, interesting. I do not have any reversals, but this card came out in reverse, so we'll take it. Because that's that's why we take reverse. We don't keep reversals. See, this also wants to come out in reverse, so we'll take it, okay? The mid of the year for Capricorns. The Page of Swords, the Judgment, the Temperance, the final, the end of the year 2022, the Nine of Swords, the Ten of Cups, the Queen of Wands, and what else? The Emperor. Let's see what's happening. Let's see in your love life. Okay, I need some space to keep my deck of cards. The Chariot, the Two of Swords, the Queen of Cups, and the Three of Wands. So, friends, at the start of the year, things will be happening very, very quickly in your love life, Capricorns. You will be feeling like things are going too fast in your love life. Some of you could be traveling, or you could be in a relationship with someone who lives abroad, who travels a lot, who is in a long distance relationship with you. So that's definitely coming in a long distance connection. I also feel that some of you could actually be single right now, so you will be meeting someone new in the year, in the beginning of the year 2022. Someone new is coming, and it will be a very quick and instant connection. You will feel very attracted to that person, and they will feel the same way about you. They could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, or someone who is extremely loving, extremely emotional, sweet, loving, and kind. That person is coming into your life in the first half of the year. I also feel that the first half of the year, Capricorns, will be a little emotionally charged for you. Things will be happening too fast, too quick. Your emotional reactions will be a little too intense. Two of Swords, yes, some of you may actually face problems in deciding between two partners, or in deciding whether to accept a past lover back or not. So confusions and indecision in your love life will happen in the first half of the year. And the Three of Wands, yes, I do feel that, you things will be very quick in the first half of the year, but they will also be short lived. Like, you may date a lot in the first half of the year, but it will not last or turn into something long lasting. So that is the energy that you will, even if a past lover is coming, you will talk a lot, there is a lot of emotions, but when it comes to future, things will be stopping, because that's how the energy in the first half of the year is. uh, Quick relationships, quick gratification, quick emotions, quick highs, quick lows, but nothing substantial will happen. So I'm sorry, but that's the energy. Let's see the mid of the year. I feel mid of the year, Capricorns, you'll be taking some time off from your love life and relationships. You are like, I need a break. I had been through a lot. Now I need to relax and take a chill pill. So that's your energy in the mid of the year. You want to relax. You want to take it slow in your love life, because the first few months, the first 4 months have been really fast for you. And you are like, I need some space now. I need some slow pace. Judgment, yes, you can expect your relationships to be tested in the mid of the year, friends. Yes, if you are married, you can expect some sort of marriage test may happen, or you and your partner may be. I'm sorry if it feels a little not what you wanna hear, but it's a good thing. If your marriage is tested, you will know. Is it worth? Is it strong enough? Have you learned the right things, or have you not? So that is the energy. I also feel if your partner was in third party, there is a chance they might leave that third party and come towards you, because I see divorce, I see legal cases happening in the second half of the year for you, mid of the year. So that is there. Also, I feel like some of you could be getting married in the mid of the year. If you were in third party, someone could be separating and coming towards you. Temperance, yes, absolute balance is coming in your love life, your relationships. I also feel that, mid of the year is something will happen which is karmic, or which is bound to happen because of destiny, because of a past life situation, but it will eventually resolve very quickly for you. So don't worry. Whatever hiccups or highs will happen, lows will happen, they will resolve quickly. Page of Swords and Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person will be important for you. I also feel you are extremely powerful you're very powerful. So you're very powerful, friends, in the year 2022. So you can really direct, Capricorns, where you want your love life and how you want it to be. So let's see the end of the year. Wow. Anxiety, you may be feeling a little anxious about your love and relationships at the end of the year. Also, if you are getting married, you may be a little nervous, like how it will happen, when it will happen, so there is that happy anxiety also. Ten of Cups, yes, you will be spending a lot of time with family. You could be getting married to someone who lives abroad, or in another city or country. Also, you could be shifting, relocating with your family or by yourself to another city and country. The Queen of Wands and Aries, Leo, Sag person could be important. I also feel your mother-in-law are also very important at the end of the year. Passion, your relationships will have a lot of passion, a lot of attraction. There will be a lot of emotional commitment and future security. Emperor, yes, you will be taking charge of your love life, Capricorns. You will be definitely leading, shining bright, and your person will be absolutely head over heels in love with you. So let's see some advice for you, and then we're gonna see. Let's see some advice for our Capricorns. Choose wisely. Yes, you will have some choices, friends, in your love life. So it is time you choose wisely, and you take some time to make your decisions, because some of you can have a new relationship, and which is free and which is lovely, but some of you can also have a karmic relationship which is tensed and difficult, or you can say which is, it's not difficult, it has certain lessons in it, so you can choose which one you want in this year. Third eye chakra, yes, you are attracting a partner with which you have a very strong intuitive connection, telepathy. Also, listen to your intuition, friends, it will guide you. Patience and planning, yes, your love life will get better by patience and by planning. Also, aggression or quick decisions, impulsive decisions will not work your way, Capricorns. But 7-7 is something mystical, something spiritual is happening in your love life. So you have to give it some time to, actually manifest in your life. Let's see your work and career. Ace of Cups, wow, you have Ace of Wands, Ace of Cups, the transformation, the Lovers, and the Seven of Wands, and the Page of Cups. Wow, I do feel this year some new opportunities are coming your way, friends. Some sort of a new opportunity, a new job, a new career, or some of you will be getting a new project, or maybe you could be starting something that you really, really love or enjoy: music, arts, career, yoga. I don't know, whatever it is that you like, healing, aroma therapies. I have no idea what you like, but something will happen which will make you feel very excited in your career and your job. Yes, some new opportunities, some new friendships, new connections will be there. You will also be developing a hobby into a business, a sustainable business, right? Seven of Wands. I feel you are very close to achieving your goals, friends, Capricorn. So you should not give up this year. This is, you're very close to achieving your goals, but some delays may happen. But so, Capricorns, there will be helpful connections and helpful opportunities throughout the year, but yes, you will also face some challenges, but you should not give up. Like, there may be certain blocks. I also feel some of you could be actually making some big changes in your career, in your, job sector. Some of you could be leaving a job, starting your business. Some of you could actually be joining a family business or leaving a family business. Some of you would be doing something that you have never ever done before, and this will change your life, but it will also make you feel emotional satisfaction you will be getting from something new you will start in your work this year. I also feel, friends, you will throughout have a choice. Like, you may be doing a work and you are already having a job, but you will throughout the year feel like it's not fulfilling you. You need to make a change. And that is exactly the Lovers. You will have a choice, a major choice in this year. You can stay where you are, or you can do something else, and it will be tough for you to Capricorns to decide what you really want to do this year, to make a leap of take a leap of faith or stay where you are. But I think the new things will help you, and it will actually make your life a little more emotional, a more peaceful. I think if you continue to stay in your current jobs or career, you will face a lot of workload, that's for sure. Also, some of you could be relocating, getting a transfer, reaching to a higher position, and some supportive contacts and contacts, yeah, or connections. Connections are coming your way. Let's see some advice then, your charms, friends. Advice for our beautiful Capricorns. Spiritual growth, okay. Yes, so this is the year of spiritual growth for you. You are growing spiritually. Some of you could be developing or finding new talents in yourself, and you will be working on it. Also, this is a year of karmic blessings for you, justice happening for you. So, yes, ask and you shall receive. This is a year of answered prayers. Whatever you need, you can ask. You see the namaste in both these prayer folded hands. Whatever you need, you will achieve it. And composure, yes, the biggest challenge will be to stay calm, Capricorns, this year, because you know you need to take certain actions, but at right time, those actions will make more sense to you. Sometimes you may have to just wait a little this year. Let us see how this year will be for Capricorns. All right. We don't get, no chance are coming out for you. I'm not sure why. Maybe that's meant to be. Let's see. Okay, that's a lot of charms actually. Let's see. All right. So let's see. Lots of cards came out for you. Let's see. Light. Wow. So there is going to be light in your life, Capricorns. Light at the end of the tunnel, or something, a light, refreshing, and happy friendship, or a happy relationship is coming your way. LITE is important. These are the initials for you. The numbers are number 10. 10 is also the number of Wheel of Fortune. Number 23, the 10th of November, or October, 23rd of October could be important. And the teacup. So yes, friendships, communications, dates, love, meetings are coming. Late fulfillment will happen. Money is coming in. Owl, you have a very higher learning is very important, friends. And also success. Owls are also about intuition. Style, yes, some of you could be changing your style this year, the way you dress up. And hello, I'm cuter than you. So a new romance who is very sweet, kind, attractive is coming towards you. Go your own way. So this is the year to follow your own path and do something which is perfect for you, which may not make sense to others. Unique, you're absolutely unique, and you must trust this. And the dark horse, you are very strong, friends. You have been through a lot, but you are a diamond in the making. Five of Wands, yes, someone has ghosted you. They are coming back this year, or they will be in your mind this year. Moon, yes, emotional cycles, karmic cycles getting over. October, yes, I told you October is important, remember? Yes, Ace of Cups, a new romance, a new dawn of love. Neptune, yes, emotionally you will be a little confused. There will be choices, Capricorns. Choose wisely. Mars, yes, you'll be extremely passionate about your work, your career. Your father in laws, or boss will be important. Seven of Wands, yes, friends. Ghosting, the energy of ghosting, competition, behind the back attack. So you have to listen to your intuition to avoid this. August is also important. Art, yes, some of you could be changing your careers, moving into art, or you could be making a business out of your art and other skills. July, August, and October are important. And Asia, someone born in Asia or living in Asia is important. Snake, big changes are coming your way. Changes, transformation, healing, health, happiness. So that's it for now, Capricorn. Subscribe Magic Wands Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.